right leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Adho Mukha. Stay in Adho Mukha. Feet close to each other. Push the hips back. Now from here, all you have to do is lift both the heels up and take the right leg straight up to the ceiling. Push your chest in. Now drop your left heel. Keep pushing backwards. Straighten both the legs. Hold for 3 to 4 breaths. Keep pulling the right leg up. And exhale, right leg down. Reset the Adho Mukha. Inhale, both legs up, both heels up. Take the left leg up to the ceiling, push the chest straight in. Keep pulling the left leg up. Drop the right heel and push backwards. Stay 3 to 5 breaths. Straighten both the legs. And exhale, left leg down. Inhale, right leg all the way in front. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, left leg all the way back. 3, Dvipada. Hold the Dvipada. Now turning to your right side, coming to a side plank, turn the outer edge of the left foot. You can take the right foot in the center, press the right foot, push the hip up, take the right arm straight up. Hold for 4 to 5 breaths there. You have support from the right leg, so keep pushing the hip up. Keep the body in a straight line and exhale back to Dvipada. From here, inhale, take the left foot in the center, turn to the outer edge of the right foot, push the hip up, take the left arm up, keep pushing the hip up, stay strong on the right arm, tighten the left leg, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and come back to Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot in the center. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Last round, take a deep inhale. Slow exhale. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Treni, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, Sapta. Now from here, inhale, take the right foot in the center. Prasarita Padottanasana. Turn both the toes inwards. Inhale, stretch your hands forward. Fingertips on the ground, pushing the hip back. Slowly push the top of the head towards the ground. And then bring your hands back in line with your toes. Inhale, look up, lengthen the spine. On the exhale, slowly drop the top of your head down on the ground. If you can, hold your ankles. Keep your hips up, head down, and stay. 5. Keep tightening the legs outwards. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, go back to Ekapada. Take a deep inhale again, lift the chest up. Uttanasana, feet together. Namaskara Sthiti. Mukha-dhoti. 3 rounds of Mukha-dhoti. Inhale and exhale fully. Breathe in, breathe out. Slow down the breathing. And from here, inhale, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Stay in Adho Mukha and 5 rounds of Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Start. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. 3 more times. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From here, inhale and Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana. Again go to Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. From here, Ekapada, Prasanasana, right foot in the center. Inhale, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Inhale, Adho Mukha. Again, right foot in the center. Ekapada, Adho Mukha. Left foot in the center. Ekapada, Adho Mukha. Again, right foot in the center. Ekapada, this time straighten both the legs. Parshvottanasana. Inhale. On the exhale, press the palms down. Drop your forehead to the shin. Push the hips back. Try to touch your forehead to the shin or the knee. Straighten the back completely. Straighten the legs. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back to Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot in the center, Ekapada. From here, Parshvottanasana. Straighten both the legs. Inhale, press the palms down. Exhale, and forehead to the shin. Keep tightening the legs, pushing the left hip back. Drop your head as much as possible. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, and relax. Hands down, relax. Mukha-dhoti, 4 to 5 rounds. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Then if you have the chair with you, take the chair and your bolster or the pillow. Keep the chair in front. Before we do Sarvangasana, we'll warm up the legs and the back a little bit. Stand about 2 feet away from the chair. And you're going to inhale. Take the right foot on the top of the chair. Lift up the left heel and press the right knee towards the back of the chair. Push your body away from the chair. Going into a back bend. Straighten the back leg. Lift the chest up. Pushing the knee towards the back rod of the chair. Keep the arms strong and pull the left hip towards the chair on your toes. Stay there. 10, 9, 8. If you don't have a chair, just do warrior 1 on the mat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the right leg and take it back. Now inhale and take the left leg top of the chair, move it slightly to the back, hold on to the back. Inhale, push the right hip forward, straighten the right leg, lift up the chest, keep pushing the left knee towards the back of the chair. Chest up, head back, straighten the arms, straighten the right leg and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the left leg. Now standing sideways from the chair, just take the right leg up on top of the back of the chair. You can do Trikonasana if you don't have the chair with the right leg in front. Trikonasana, or keep your leg on the windowsill or the table. Inhale, stretch the right hand all the way up, toes facing up on the right foot. On the exhale, reach forward, keep your right hand on the chair and left hand straight up to the ceiling. Keep reaching up, tighten both the legs, chest open, reach the right hand, straighten it up and hold. Keep your head back, body open to the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We repeat the same thing on the other side. Stand sideways from the chair. Inhale, don't be too far away. Take the left leg up. Place your ankle on the back of the chair. Inhale, hip open to the side. Left hand all the way up. On the exhale, reaching sideways. Keep your left hand on the chair. And inhale, right hand up. Keep pushing the chest open. Tighten both the legs, toes up. Reach the right hand to the ceiling, straight up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Just stand about 1 foot from the chair. Inhale, both hands up. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale. Push your hands on the seat of the chair forward without pulling your hips. Push the hips back and drop your head. Don't drop it down, in line with the arms, pushing the top of the head forward. Your forearms resting on the chair. Tighten the legs, push the hips back. Chest and shoulder blades open. Keep breathing. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Get ready for Sarvangasana. If you don't have a chair, just go near the wall. Take your hips near the wall. Using the wall support, you can take the legs up the wall. You can keep a pillow under your hips or under your shoulders, or 2 blankets under the shoulders, and do the Sarvangasana. But before Sarvangasana, we'll take the legs on the inside. We'll do one small back bend, feet near the chair, and just slowly sliding the hips forward, edge of the shoulder blade on the chair, hold the chair and drop your head back as much as possible. Keep your feet flat, knees are bent. Slowly hold the chair, edge of the shoulder blade on the edge of the chair, drop your head back, you're holding the chair here and keep dropping the head back and stay there. Close your eyes, observe your chest and abdomen region, keep breathing, slowly exhale, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now pull yourself to the inside of the chair, tuck your chin in and slowly come up. From here, drop your head down, relax for a few seconds. And then ready for Sarvangasana. Keep a blanket or a pillow, big thick pillow or 2 pillows or even 2 blankets just near the chair. Everyone, cameras on. Cameras are on. Yes, I can see Rekha. Nobody else wants to turn on? Okay, one by one, slowly coming on. Please feel free to turn your camera on, Sunita and Rekha, okay? Sitting back now, sit on the chair. Take your legs up, do it carefully, slowly, no rush. Hold the chair tight, take your hands from under one at a time and slowly move back. Drop the edge of your shoulders on the bolster. Your neck should be on the rounded edge. Rest your lower back on the chair, hold the chair comfortably on the side legs, back legs. Straighten your legs there. Rest your neck and shoulders comfortably on the pillow or the bolster or the blankets. Keep your feet together. Tighten your buttocks. Push the hips up. And stay there. We'll stay here for a little longer. Relax your body here. Observe the breathing. Stay for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, very nice, everybody's got it right, 2. Now from there just take your right leg off the chair and straight up at 90 degrees. Only right leg. Tighten the right leg, turn the toes into your face. Keep breathing. Right leg straight up, 90 degrees. Toes in, tighten the right leg, tighten the left leg, keep holding the chair. And another 10, 9, 8, 7, 90 degrees Parvati. Don't bring it in too close. Push your leg back little bit. Yes, that is good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and slowly take the right leg back on the chair and take only the left leg to 90 degrees. Yes, that's good. Turn the toes in completely. Tighten the left leg. Keep the hips up. Observe your breathing. Stay for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep the left leg there only and join the right leg to the left leg. Join the right leg to the left leg. Uma, take your legs forward little bit. It went back. Take your legs forward little bit. Yes, nice Parvati. Toes in, some more. Toes in. Very nice. Feet together. Come on Rekha, you can do it. Feet together. 90 degrees. Yes, ankles together. And stay there. 15 counts. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now keep listening. Bend your knees, place your feet on the back of the chair, keep holding the chair and push your hips away from the chair. Like Setu Bandha, Sarvangasana, feet on the back of the chair, push the hips away from the chair, tighten your buttocks, holding the chair, body comes to a straight line, moving the hips and buttocks away from the chair. Take 2-3 breaths there and stay there. And slowly drop your hips back to the chair. Let the legs be in the same position. If you're comfortable, only one leg, right leg, take it all the way back in. Left leg will stay on the chair, or if you can, take it to 90 degrees. Take the right leg, keep holding the chair. Take the right leg down to Halasana. Straight down. As much as possible. If you can't touch the ground, it's okay, but straighten the legs, straighten both the legs, straighten up the hips and hold it there. Take a moment, relax in the pose. Slowly bringing the right leg back up, very slowly, carefully. You're still holding the chair. Get both the feet back on the backrest. Relax your breath here. And then slowly straighten the left leg. You can keep the right leg on the back. And take the left leg over the face, straight up. If you can, straighten the right leg. Ekapada Halasana with the left leg on the ground. Hold it there. Straighten both the legs. Straighten the back. Keep breathing. And if it's possible, take the right leg also down to complete Halasana. You're still holding the chair. Lift the back straight. Tighten both the legs. Take 5 to 6 breaths here. Keep your eyes closed if you want. See that your hips are up. Back is straight. Legs are straight. And slowly, one by one, bending your knees. Bring the legs back. Both legs on the back of the chair. Again, come back to Sarvangasana with the legs resting on the back of the chair. Legs together. Holding the chair. Stay there. Now Baddha Konasana, keeping your feet on the backrest, outer edges together. Push the knees open. And then if you can, going again into Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, but legs outside the back of the chair. Drop it down to the side. Take your hands out from the outside if you can. Hold your ankles and stay there. Slowly release the legs, keep the hands back on the inside. Hold the chair there, come back to Sarvangasana. One last time. First take the right leg to 90 degrees, left leg to 90 degrees, toes in. Keep holding the chair, straighten your legs, close your eyes, relax your body there. Observe the breathing. Stay for another 30 seconds. Slowly bend your knees, release your hands and slide yourself back very carefully, resting your hips on the bolster. Slowly come down, keep your legs on the chair, relax and stay there. Stay with your legs on the chair, hips on the bolster, your chin is down. Observe the sensations in your back, hips and legs and shoulders. Now just the right knee, hug it in towards your chest. Holding the right knee, pull the right knee in towards your chest. Release the right leg, hug the left knee in and hold it close to your chest. Now take both the knees in, hands below the knees and hug it in. Slowly release the legs. Turn from your right side, come off the bolster. Just move the chair out. Let it be there. Lie down in front of the bolster. Matsyasana, supported. Legs are straight. Very carefully, elbows resting on the bolster, giving support. Drop your back on the bolster so the top back of your head comes on the ground. Elbows now taken back, hands by your side, legs and feet together. Close your eyes, drop your head back. Your back is supported. Keep your buttocks on the ground, close your eyes and stay there for 20 seconds at least. Slowly taking support with your elbows. Inhale, lift your head up, tuck your chin in, bend your knees, turn to the right side. Keep that pillow or bolster or blanket in front of you. Knees wide, toes together. Sit back in Shashankasana, forehead down. Keep your hands on the pillow. Push your hips back. Now take your right hand to the side where the left hand is, and take the left hand behind you and try to hold the left heel or the left ankle. Turn your head to the left side. Stretch the right hand to where the left hand is. Inhale, slowly take the left hand back. Move the left hand to the right side. Turn your head slightly to the right side. Drop your head to the ground. Hold your right ankle or your right heel with the right hand. Push the hips back. Stretch the left hand on the right side. Slowly bring both the hands back on the bolster. Take it on the ground and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the heels down, straighten the legs and hands, push the hips back, move the chest in, drop the head towards the mat. Slowly walk your hands back towards your feet, hands in front of the feet. Uttanasana, bend your elbows, keep the legs straight, relax the upper body, head down completely. Slowly inhale, come up, and exhale, release the hands. Now take your chair, back of the chair. You can lie down with your legs on the back of the chair. Resting your knees on the edge. Chin down, close your eyes. Hands by your side. Just do 5 Omkaras in this position. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Take a deep inhale. Four more rounds. Inhale. Breathe in. Last 2 rounds. Inhale. the state of your mind. Keeping your eyes closed, release the chin mudra. Palms facing the ceiling. Legs completely relaxed on the chair. Observe your lower back and hips. Make sure your lower back is resting completely on the ground. Also the entire length of the spine. Back of your shoulders. Both the arms completely relaxed. Relax the whole front of the body. Front of the shoulders. Arms and legs. Face relaxed. Eyes rolled back. Gaze between the eyebrows. Keep your awareness completely on your breath. Follow the breath as it goes in and out. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, take your legs off the chair, bending your knees, turn to your right side, supporting yourself with your left hand. Come up to a sitting position, back straight, hands in Namaskar Mudra, eyes remain closed, Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhagave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namanasana. Inhale and palming. Slowly press the palms on your eyes. Inhale, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Thank you, ladies. Namaste.
Thank you, Shubha. Thank you, Shubha.